Yo, what's up, guys? Nick here with some raw day trading. Overall synopsis today was a little frustrating, but I kept everything tight. Down 200, and just it was a Fed meeting day, so the volume was a little weird. The volatility was a little weird, and then the stock that I was trading didn't go until I left, which was around I don't know, maybe 2-ish. I think I was done trading, 2-ish Eastern. Then it goes up into the after hours or into the close and then continues on to the after hours and makes a nice little pop and then continues and then sells off. Yeah, big stuff. Okay. I'm going to close down my platform. Let's get into some video. Just review a couple of things at the open. I think I have a couple notes here. All right. So we have this name NCEW and then ASST were the two things I was focused on this morning. I get a nice little trade on NCEW. Here, I cut it a little bit early. I don't get in and it goes without me after I cut it. I was kind of just playing kind of cautious. Not wanting to do the rebuy right here in case it just totally flipped. Had I been paying probably closer attention, I might have thought about it. Yeah, but I had no firm opinion except for the open trade there. And then it ends up going all the way. I think it taps 4 here or close to 4. That actually would have been a okay entry at 50, 350 there. And I'm looking here to buy again, but I'm a little hesitant. I'm just not quick enough, right? It's the morning trades. I don't want to like destroy my day in one fell swoop. I'm up 125 there, but then I give it all back. Kind of reverses here after tapping 4 or just under 4. I was nicely green there. What happened? Oh yeah, okay. So I found a nice little nook to throw some shares on. I was fighting a seller there, and I get in pretty heavy. And I'm like, I'm really waiting for this thing to go pop above 332, but it's not going, and I have to unload. I don't take my profit. That was a big annoyance. I don't take enough of it, at least. I don't know. Hindsight's 2020, but I thought I could ride that up pretty far. Wanted to go a little bit further though. And then this is where things start to get stupid. Where do they get stupid? Yeah, I chase it into 3 right here after it already bottomed. And I just get chopped around. And that's how I lose the edge there. I mean, I keep the stop tight. Probably shouldn't have even been focused on it. If you look at the just stack of the volume stack here, just so much red. Should have waited for it to like calm down, and then this happened. This little spike, kind of like a ADFN spike, but I should have. No. I knew it was a risk because it was basing just above just above 3. Um, and I'm looking at it. I'm like, do I get in? Do I get in? Do I get in? And the correct move here is to wait for a close. And I think I'm going to wait for the close, but I'm not sure. If I don't wait for the close here, that's probably I'm playing a little too impatient. Yeah, so I don't wait for the close. A little bit impatient. It's kind of holding above 4. It's in like a really, really dumb location to be like trading aggressively to the upside in. The volume's not great. And granted, I only get out for a $50 loss, but I could have kept that $50. I would have if I would have waited for that close. It would have been I would probably wouldn't have traded it, and then now I'm kind of like annoyed because I gave back, the money, and now I'm down 100 on that. Still trading the backside, and thank God I walk away from it, and then I go back to trade it again, but like only for like a little bit. G-Puss doing a little continuation move here. I did not want to even look at this one, but it just kept moving, and I was like, it's kind of tricky when you have these on the third day, second day, whatever day it is, and it's just very tricky because these can really. It's like the risk is if they unwind, they really unwind. And so that's what I was trying to avoid. And it's just kind of creeping up, creeping up, creeping up. ASST, ASST. You have ASST and G-Puss. ASST and G-Puss. Doesn't sound dirty at all. ASST making a recovery here. Goal is 2. Has a nice little halt open. I'm not even going to watch it because I did okay on it. But I guess I'll watch it, see what a winning trade looks like because it was hard to find today. Boom, I get in. It's holding. Testing low, but it's holding. And then I sell up into 2 for a solid 10 cents. It was only 1,500 shares, but hey, 10 cents is 10 cents. And it goes all the way high. All right. Let's see, 42. Getting impatient. Yeah, so we went over the impatient, 1035. Good idea. I just needed more time, but it was a halt stitch. I didn't get in low enough thinking it would go lower. So let's look at 1035 and then we'll call it a day. Yeah, today I did not like the trading that I did, but I like the trading that I did not do. So I probably just needed more more focus on the name that was moving, which was ASS. Such an ass name, ASST. Yeah, and that kept going up. But they're very annoying to trade because they just keep halting, and it's not even like there's no in between. It's either down or up, and you're either buying the down tick or the up tick, and the uptick is always wrong, and the down tick is about 50% of the time wrong. And I don't know, it just feels really dangerous. Which I guess there's trading's all with different levels of danger, which leads me to day trading's risky. Don't do this at home. This is not investment advice. And then I kept fighting with NCEW. I was like, I think it's gonna retest something. It kind of did up here, kind of did some stuff, but doesn't win. ZVSA I was looking at. I spent some money on that one. I think I was only down like $60 to $100 at one point. Then I lost another 100. Part of it was some stupid trades on, or a stupid trade on that really low volume consolidating one, NCEW. Okay, so where are we at? 35. Let's go 35. So this thing keeps pushing. Jesus, bouncing from side to side, screen to screen. Okay, this thing keeps pushing. So 1035, I have written good idea, just need more time, but it was a halt stitch and I didn't get in low enough thinking it would go. Okay. So we're looking for the open here. It's going to open in 12 seconds. Watching this stupid situation. As you can tell, I'm really soured on this. So right there, I think would be the entry. Yeah, I cut it at break even. Then it goes to 67. Huh. I don't know. I'll have to do homework and watch this over again today. But whatever. That's it. I'm not going to keep for too long right now. Just going to sit down and do some like more in detail review where I can't really narrate, but I highly recommend doing your homework, checking out stuff, seeing what you could have done better today if you were trading. And I will catch you guys again tomorrow. Remember, day trading is risky. Don't do this at home. All right, goodbye.